This is a meditation for peace. There are many parts of the world right now that are going through distress, where there is a lack of love, a lack of understanding, a lack of humanity. So let's just take a few moments to connect to the love that is in this world and expand it. Sending love and positive energy to all those places in the world that need it right now. Into the hearts of those who could be making better, more human decisions, no matter what side you're on. Love is always the answer. Feel that love in your heart now. And imagine the entire globe, the entire planet. Raise that feeling of love, unconditional love in your heart now. Send it up to the top of your head. And transmit that signal, that frequency, that vibration. And imagine that it is encapsulating the whole planet right now. Connecting with all the other hearts in the world that are also sending love and hope and peace to all those hearts in the world that need it now. The power of one. The power of the whole. Bringing in gratitude for the fact that we can bring this love into our hearts and we can send it. Having that knowledge that just focusing and sending our love, every drop of vibration, every drop of energy and love counts, no matter how small, no matter how big. Allow that love into yourself. Allow yourself to receive. And then multiply that out. The more you love yourself, the more you can love others, and the more powerful this emanating love will be. So we can truly bring change to the world. One heart, one mind at a time.